What's up, guys? It's Dave, the Military Millionaire, here today, and I wanted to talk to you briefly about the War Room Real Estate Mastermind for service members and veterans, what it is, why we created it, and why we enjoy what we do with it, and why we think it's a great platform. So, the backstory on this is that I've been in a lot of mastermind groups, right? I've been in one with David Green, I'm in GoBundance with a lot of those guys. You have to have a certain net worth to be in this exclusive club. It's all men. They also have an all women's version. I've been in several different mastermind groups, and in all of them, I've been challenged and grown, and I've really enjoyed the community and the camaraderie and everything. The thing is that with those mastermind groups, you kind of got to get to a level playing field. So there's not like an immediate connection. You have to get involved to get to know people. Well, I was thinking like, wow, service members always have such an innate ability to connect to each other. We all kind of come from the same background. We understand each other. We get each other. All branches and services, no matter all the smack we talk, we get along. And so wouldn't it be cool to create a mastermind group that was for just service members and veterans? So there's already that connection. Wouldn't that take it to the next level? And for about 6 months, I had this great idea, and I kept thinking, man, who's going to pay attention to me? Who wants to be in a group with me? Who wants this? What's this? I don't know if I can do this. The imposter syndrome, right? And then one day, my buddy Stu Grazier, who runs a turnkey company as well as an investing fund and does a lot of other investing, has another military connection. His Instagram is Military Investor. He reached out and was like, hey, I got this idea for a mastermind. What do you think? And I was like, oh, yes, let's do it. I've been kicking the can on this idea for a while, and I just haven't been able to pull the trigger. And so we launched with like 2 months later, woo, October 2019. And so we brought it all together, been at it for over 2 years now, and we created this community. And now we've got 165, 170 members, some pending in there. That it's just growing very quickly. And the group, we have seen people come into the group with no experience and just start buying deals, partnering with people. There are partnerships in the group that have formed. There are people who've bought into other businesses. One of the guys took over a $100K a month wholesaling company. One of the guys owns over 1,000 doors. He was still doing well before the community, but he actually, one of the other members of the War Room is now on his team. There's a lot of partnerships, a lot of team, and a lot of just community and mutually beneficial relationships going on in the War Room Mastermind. We have built this community. It's a place just like what I wanted, where people come together to learn together and help each other out. And it's this really close-knit community of service members and vets who are serious about real estate investing, who come together, put their brains together to work for the better good. And I've been really impressed with the community as a whole. It's probably my favorite thing that I do, and it's probably the thing I'm most proud of all of the other stuff that we've done with the Military Millionaire community. And I mean, that's it, right? That's the long and short of it. That's what I do. That's why I do it. That's why Stu and I built it. That's why we brought in a community manager to improve it. That's why we're constantly improving the flow of content and adding more calls and bringing in better guest speakers in order to really help bring that community together to help you achieve financial freedom as soon as humanly possible. If you're interested in it, hit me up. If not, hey, no worries. We'll be here when you're ready.